Hello everyone, I am from KM Bio. We are one of the distributors for Invacare in India. Today I am going to demonstrate how to use Invacare Platinum 9-liter oxygen concentrator with Sense O2 technology. This is the 9-liter oxygen concentrator. Firstly, I will explain you how to plug in the power socket. Behind you, at the bottom of the concentrator, you will have the power cord. So this concentrator comes with power cord, humidifier bottle and this adapter tube. So you have to plug in like this at the behind. You will have a similar two fuse power point. So once that is done, you have to tightly plug it in. Once that is done, you have to come and switch on the system. So this is the on-off switch in the concentrator. So you have to upwards press it. This is the on. Once you switch on the machine, you will have a beep sound for less than a second, which indicates that the machine is working properly. These concentrators are manufactured in USA. Invacare is the world leaders in oxygen therapy business for more than 30 years in the market. This concentrator is capable of delivering 95.6% purity of oxygen. And also, this oxygen concentrator is a trouble-free unit which is designed to run for 24/7 extensively. This oxygen concentrator has a soundproof unit which is less than 45 decibel. As you can see, I have switched on the system and you are not hearing any sound, which allows you to have a comfortable sleep. This oxygen concentrator has a oxy sensor which will be sensing the oxygen and it will indicate for any low purity of oxygen. So basically, once these are the primary usage parts. I'll be explaining the flow meter. So this is the flow meter. The major difference between 5 liter and 9 liter will be 5 liter will be having up to 5 liters per minute. As when you come to 9 liter, it will be up to 9. Like you can see 13579. You can set the range based on the doctor's prescription. Usually these oxygen concentrators are used for patients who are requiring a high flow of oxygen and a long-term oxygen therapy. So this is the power on off switch. This is the timer which will be representing how many hours the machine has been run. This is a reset key which is only used by service persons. So this is the oxygen outlet which is made up of brass, which is a high quality brass which is very useful. Also you can see 3 LED lights which indicates red, orange and green. Red will indicate if any technical failure in the system and also orange will indicate if there is a low purity of oxygen sensed. At these times you can call your customer service teams. So when you can see there is an O2 which will give a green light which indicates that oxygen concentrator is giving 95% of oxygen, 95.6% of oxygen which is ready to use. Also I will show you, there are two, you can see this is the filter, this is the cabinet filter. There will be this cabinet filter both sides of the system. You have to take this foam filter out, you have to take this out once in a month and you have to wash it and squeeze it and then dry it out and then place it back just to clean the impurities. So coming to humidifier bottle, you will have the minimum and maximum level mentioned. You should not go, the water needs to be RO or distilled water. The water should not go beneath the minimum or exceeding the maximum level. It needs to be somewhere around this level of the water. So this oxygen outlet, this is the humidifier string where you can place the humidifier bottle, and this is the oxygen outlet where you can attach this adapter tubing. Once I attach, you can see there is a bubbles coming. So this is the face mask tube. So there will be one end which will be going to this one port. So as this face mask tube, you can connect it to the, you can see air is coming, you can connect it to the face and you can wear it like this. It will cover your nose completely. So using the oxygen concentrator is pretty much simple. So if you have any further clarification regarding the oxygen concentrator or if you want to buy the oxygen concentrator, we have given the company details in the description box. Please feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you.